Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. Now here's the thing with the real estate guys. You gotta have your Brian side and your Lynette side. And some of you guys have more Lynette in you and some have more Brian. You have to hit that balance, especially if you're by yourself. Now if you're with the partner, you can counterbalance each other, but don't aggravate each other. Realize that you're a counterbalance. You realize that, hey, I serve as a counterbalance. I probably think too much. Now, it was a very important moment when I realized, and I don't know how long it took me a long time, before I realized, kind of looking back on all the decisions we'd made along the way, and I, say what I think, and Lynette says what she thinks, and I kind of look at how they all pan out for a while, like which one was right. And I realized, I'm not always right. I'm right about half the time, and about half the time she's right. And so that really struck me, and I realized, even though I pride myself on being the smart guy and stuff, sometimes a stylistic choice go a different way. And it's the same on the closing call. I'm telling you, we have stylistic differences on the closing calls, and her style works great, and sometimes my style works great. If you got a big old thinker brain, or somebody who needs a lot of hand-holding and stuff, that's kind of me. All right, if you want to just get this deal done, get an appointment, get a deal meeting set up, and make sure that you don't lose momentum. And sometimes that just the way you do it, that urgency that Lynette approaches it with, gets the seller on this urgent track and gets them, okay, I guess this is what's going to happen. And I'm telling you, just that forward momentum pulls them along. I think of it more like I'm being a shepherd. Okay, so I'm a shepherd, and Lynette's a torrent. Okay, people just get sucked up in her wake and kind of get pulled along. No, but you guys gotta.
That's a good analogy, actually.
You guys have to kind of be a good mix now. You have to shepherd your people along. They have to make decisions, don't they? They have to decide 4 things anyway on the per house business. You know the 4: purchase price, monthly payment, length of term, and down payment. So those 4. So they have to make 4 decisions. You got to help them through those 4 decisions. You shepherd them gently, or sometimes you just sort of keep moving forward and just ask them the questions and try to get some answers out of them, and always be closing. I want you guys to kind of try to even maybe adjust your style a little depending on who's on the other end of the line. You have to mirror people. Now, I even talk about this on the rapport building sheet. I said you got to mirror people. You should try to talk about the same pace as them. But then remember, like if they're slow and they need they're talking slow, then that's not going to go down to their level. She's going to try to pull them up to her level and get them.
Well, actually, sometimes I can talk very slow if I have to.
You would never talk like that.
I can't stand talking slow, but I can. I got that side to me if I have to.
She can explain things a little more carefully, and sometimes, here's the thing, especially if you have somebody who's elderly or English is their second language, you do need to go slower and explain more clearly to make sure that they're even on the same page with you.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of great new videos.